Here we have a 22 plate BMW 420i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one, we do have the M Sport Pro package. Now we also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and unmarked, with the red brake calipers behind. We have the white metallic exterior paintwork, LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front grille, and there's a look at that front end. We do have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so you can see the gloss black front splitter, gloss black side skirts as well, running along the bottom. We do also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We have the rear spoiler on the tailgate, just there. Front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle, along with a rear reversing camera. We do have the rear diffuser and the dual exit exhaust. If we just take a look inside of the boot now, so if we just press this button here, then the boot will pop open just like so. Inside of here you can see we have plenty of space to just go quite far back. Got the extra storage pockets on both the left and the right hand side. Handle just underneath here so we can pull the boot back down. Coming back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior now. Inside of here, we'll just have a look at the back first. I'll follow the front seat forward, and you can see got the leather seats at the back, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. Two seats at the back, and the two at the front as well. Again, black leather seats. Both the front seats are heated. There's a quick look at both of them. Apologies about the bright sunlight. We have the electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights with the ambient lighting, automatic wipers, and we do also have the multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat inside and you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up. Got the cruise control and the speedometer buttons just there on the left. We also have the high beam assist on that stalk there. Paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, and we do have the digital dashboard in front of us, free from any warning lights other than for the key battery, which will get replaced, so no need to worry. We then have the main infotainment screen. Plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. It's currently loading up the sat nav. If this screen or any of the lights are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life. It's nothing to worry about. If you go on to the media options, then you'll find the radio stations along with the other options there on the left. We have the ability of phone connectivity for phone calls. And then onto the apps, you can see we have plenty of apps that are currently installed, along with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving over to the main menu, go on to car, scroll down to the settings, and you'll find that we have the ambient lighting on the settings. If you scroll across, then you can see we have the ambient lighting just here. Plenty of colours to go through. We also have the intelligent safety, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down, you've got the climate control, the ice-cold air conditioning, and the heated seat buttons either side. Again, further down from there, you've got some storage space for the cup holders, 12-volt connectivity, and the cup holders. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. You'll find adaptive, Eco Pro, Comfort, and also Sport. Putting the car into reverse, you'll find the reverse camera and the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, we then have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button, and finally the leather armrest just here in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 420i M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, now to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, now veering off to the left, or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which has the pedal shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, you can simply tap on the pedals to change gear. We also have the cruise control and speedometer buttons here on the left hand side, along with the volume buttons and phone connectivity on the right. Digital dashboard as well in front of us, which we can show with different displays. If you do listen carefully though throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do have plenty more features as well throughout the vehicle, with the full leather seats throughout the vehicle, which is really comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold and mornings. We also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre. It's currently showing the sat nav. Again, there's plenty more features on there you would have seen on the photos. For example, we have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a safe vehicle to drive. We do have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. Automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes. Now we've got our right indicator on. We're going to slow down, take a right-hand turn onto the industrial park, and it will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2, and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. Reverse camera appears on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now, if this video has answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running for some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.